May I ask question? Yes, of course. What are you doing now? I'm reading a book. What's your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I'm from England. Are you a student? Yes, I'm student. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is biology. Why do you like biology? Actually, I want to doctor. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. How many family members do you have? I have 6 family members. Which school are you going? I'm going to public school. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Rogers. How many students in your school? There are 300. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Mrs. Smith. Where is he living? He is living near my house. Near my house. Where does your father work? My father works in office. How many brothers sisters do you have? I have one brother and 2 sisters. What does your brother do? He is studying in class ninth. What does your mother do? She is housewife. She is housewife. Which game do you like? I like to play volleyball. Do you go to ground? Yes, I go to ground. When you go to ground? I go to ground at 9 o'clock. Are you watching TV? Yes, I watch drama. When you get up in the morning? I get up 9 o'clock. Do you read story? Yes, I read story. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Thank you for watching my videos. For more video, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Welcome to English Conversation. I'm sick. You should go to hospital. I'm feeling lazy. You should do exercise. I'm feeling hungry. You should eat food. I am in difficult situation. You should think a good idea. I want to run. You should go to ground. I want to become volleyballer. You should practice volleyball. I want to drive a car. You should you should be a conductor. My English weak. You should practice English. My English speaking is not correct. You should speak English every day. I am unemployed. You should search job. I have no money. You should hard work. I am weak. You should eat fruit. My hand are broken. You should be a bandages. My writing is bad. You should write a paragraph. I cannot speak truly. You should to be practice. I am feeling headache. You should take medicine. I am feeling cool. You should burn gas. I am feeling uncomfortable. You should recite Holy Quran. I have coughing. You should take medicine. I am fat. You should go to gym. I want to be a fit. You should go to gym.